Hi, boys and girls. Today we're going to review our letter sounds and then learn a new one. And by the end of today, you'll be able to tell me what that new letter says, what its name is, and you'll be able to know how to write it and tell me something that begins with its letter sound. That's a lot of things to learn, right? We better get to it. So let's start by reviewing our letters that we've already learned. Allie, alligator. Ah, ah, ah. Bubba bear. B, b, b. Katina cat. Dee Dee deer. D, d, d. Ellie elephant. Ah. Francie fish. Gordo gorilla. G, g, g. Honey horse. Innie inchworm. Eh, eh, eh. Lizzie lizard. Oh. Missy mouse. Nigel night owl. Ollie octopus. Ah. Petey penguin. Sammy snake. Timothy tiger. Vincent vampire bat. Zeke zebra. And today we're going to learn about the letter R and the sound that it makes. This is little R, and his favorite sound is R. Let me say that for you in the big picture. Ready? R. So your mouth is open just a little bit. R. You can probably feel it in your throat. R. Do you feel that? R. Let's do it fast and short. Ready? Yeah. Let's figure out what starts with in our story. My R book. My R book. Is this where we start reading the story? No. Is this where we start reading the story? No, that's the title page. Is this where we start reading? Yeah, and we already found our zoo friend. Let's first read this page. Little R had a box. I will fill my box, he said. Little R found rabbits and radishes. He put them into his box. Now, why would he want rabbits and radishes? Because they start with Yeah. And you know what, Robbie Rabbit, you see his little paws? He puts up his paws like this. Let me show you in the big picture. He puts up his paws like this and he goes as he jumps around. Can you do it? Awesome. So he puts the rabbits and the radishes in the box. Little R found a rooster. In you go, rooster, he said. Why did he put the rooster into his box? Because rooster starts with yeah, rooster. He found a raccoon. The raccoon ran. Little R ran after him. Did you hear some words that start with on this page? Raccoon, ran. Little R put them into his box. Then he saw a rat. The rat ran. Little R caught the rat. Guess where he put the rat? That's right, into his box. Then he ran down the road. What does road start with? Yeah, it starts with R. Little R found a reindeer and a rowboat. What did he find that starts with R? A reindeer and rowboat. He put all his things into the rowboat. 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 Away he went. It began to rain. He put on his raincoat. What did it begin to do? It began to rain, and he put on what? His raincoat. What do rain and raincoat start with? That's right, rain, raincoat. Then he found a what? A rhinoceros. What does rhinoceros start with? Yeah, rhinoceros. And a raft. He's finding lots of things that float on the water. A rowboat and a raft. So he put all of his things on the raft. But the raft ran into a rock. The reindeer fell off the raft. There's a lot happening right now. What did the raft float into? A rock. What does rock start with? Then the reindeer fell off the raft. Oh no! Little R found a rope. Oh good, how handy. What does rope start with? He pulled the reindeer back onto the raft. Let's rest, he said. Oh yeah, that would be exhausting. I need to rest too. They rested under a rainbow. Oh, how beautiful. And what does rainbow start with? His favorite sound, and that is yeah, Then the rabbit said, "Let's run a race." They ran up the road to a rose bush. Little R said, "Let's play Ring Around the Roses." And they did. What does a rose start with? It starts with yeah. Let's repeat all the things that start with that little R found. Say raft, roses, rhinoceros, rowboat, rainbow, rat, reindeer, raccoon, rooster, rabbit. And now let's say some more words with little R. Wow, there's so many. Repeat after me. Razor, robe, red, rattlesnake, robin, radio, rug, rattle, ribbon, ring, robot, rice, rocket, roof. Awesome job, boys and girls. And before I say the end, who is this? It's Robbie Rabbit, and he says, yeah, just like that. All right, now you're going to get to learn how to write that sound on Seesaw. Wow. All right, get to it, boys and girls.